Hi everybody, I'm your Prasad. Today I'm going to do unboxing of MI band 4th version watch. This is watch like a fitness band for the students. So let us start unboxing. Yeah, how it looks like. Today only I have received this. Let us see anything is there. Nothing is there. We'll put this aside. This is bill. This is cost around 2300. What it has written, MI Smart Band 4. Is it visible clearly? MI Band Smart 4. AMOLED color display, touch screen, innovation for everyone, heart rate monitoring, waterproof up to 50 meters, music control. Yes, it looks like this. India's #1 wearable brand. This side nothing is there, some barcode, and here it has some specifications how to use. We'll see later. MI Smart, same thing, right? We go inside. One more seal is there. We need to cut this also. Okay, let us open this. Yes. After time, nothing is there. We'll put this aside. Yeah, this is our main hero. Let us check what are other things it has. Okay, this is nothing. Yeah, just a manual how to operate. We don't require this. This is charging dock something. Yeah, nothing is there. This is important. We need to remove the capsule and we'll show you. Yeah, this is USB cable, and the main thing is this one. Yes. Yeah, initial impression is very nice. Build quality is also good. Strap is very nice. I think easy to wear. Actually, I have image fit with me. Yeah, this looks like. If you practice it, this will be very easy to wear. Yeah, it seems like this. Actually, I want to make the video short length, so I'm very much hurry. Don't want to make long video. This is very new, so it is hard to wear. If you practice, it will become very easy. Anyways, let us see, is it on? Yeah. Pair shadow. Yeah, we need to pair with the mobile phone actually. This is having MI Fit app will be there. With that we need to sync it. Need to synchronize, and this will be removed, the capsule. Yeah, this will be removed, and this we need to put here. Like this two need to connect with this. Yes, then we need to charge this. Okay, in my next video probably I will show you how to connect this. Thank you very much.